Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y35 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into the phone. Now to get started you'll need to grab a SIM ejector. I have one right here for this. You can find one in the box somewhere between the paperwork, but if you can't, I could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located at the top of the phone right here. We'll have a tiny little insert pin. You want to push the pin in, and as you can see it just comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it, take it out and just completely flick it somewhere. Give me a sec, I'm just gonna grab that. There we go. So on the tray we have space for two different SIM cards right over here and one SD card. And there we go. So once you place your cards on the tray, you can then pop it back into your phone. Now you want to do it carefully. There's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they could simply fall out with any kind of like bump, like that almost happened. So there we go. And the cards should start working right away. I will need to turn off airplane mode. Reception, there we go, it just connected. So SIM card is working without a problem and SD card is working as well, as you can see right here. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.